Connection. Hello, I'm live. Hello, I'm live. I'm live on IG again. Okay, going to emancipation. I can't go to the park on this way on the bike trail. Got too many and it just ain't no kid there. Huh? Huh. No one and just people. The people there and tweet me out. I don't want no one, Thank you. Alright, I'm good. Checking if I have anything in my tile. My nose. Kinda stuffy right now. I'm not getting sick, but yeah. Hopefully I'm not. That ain't good if I do. That ain't good if I do. You know? If I do. Hold on. I'll keep going. I'm good, no cause. I don't look in both ways because I already did one time. Hi, butterfly. A good day. Alright. Yep. I like it by the TSU thing. And right here by the church. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Load it. I don't want to get hit by the tree branches or something. Sidewalk and then be crossing. I would take that bike road, but I can't. Because I don't want to get my tire flat. Sidewalk is a cause. Maybe using no one care at all. They will hit you. Even after buses. They will hit you. For no reason. Your bus will come shortly. Back around because I want to do this. Damn. Done. A tattoo. That's on clogged right here. Just on the side. So the driveway won't be flooded. The weeds not need to be here. Alright, that good. Alright, that good. I like told one dude, the bus will come shortly, and guess what? I lied. I catch her number 4 before. Many times. We went for a bus ride before. Shut up! I saw us. Shoot. I don't know what I mean, but shut up, ladies, or something. I'm allowed to be in a road, because sidewalk always road. If the city gets the sidewalk fixed, I'm getting a sidewalk. Right now? Heck no. But I was wrong though, telling them shut up though, but you know. Hopefully they don't turn around. Please subscribe to my channel. Please. Please, guys. So, people have no right to do that. You know? Alright guys, this will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.